Hello everyone, my name is Nihadur Rahman. I recently sat for the IELTS exam on the 7th December where I had an overall score of 7.5. To break down my individual scores, I had an 8.5 on my listening module, a 7.5 on my reading, and 7 on both writing and speaking. I was a student of HEXA'S Zindabazar. My batch number was HZ10724. And my instructor's name was Shubarna ma'am, and my co-instructor was Jakwan sir. I enrolled in the IELTS course at HEXA'S Zindabazar on 4th September, and the course was very helpful for me. My teachers were very friendly and helpful, and they helped me understand different topics, and they break down and easily explain different topics to me. And they helped me prepare for my main exam, and also I took a mock test at HEXA'S Zindabazar where I had an overall score of 7. And the environment of the test room was very similar to the actual test room, and it helped me gain a little bit more confidence and helped me get rid of my nervousness. And overall, the HEXA'S Zindabazar facility, the faculty members and the teachers were very helpful. Thank you everyone.